Welcome back, guys. Let's double check the Trump token targets updates with my customer care set. You saw some hype around the Trump family tokens now. Trump token, World Liberty Finance, Millennia, all of them pumped because of military operation on Maduro in Venezuela. So of course now a lot of people talk about Trump. That's why like a media narrative, media hype. Once again, the tickers pump it. I don't think so we're going to reach the $100. Once again, I think it was a top, but at least we can reach 32.83, 35.43. So this is a zone still relevant, still in play, and nothing bad for this speculative token. Take a look at the daily time frame indication accumulation pump model. Technically, we invalidate it if we count the week. On a line chart, of course, we not drop on the first level if we cut all noise. So this was a I don't like this word like manipulation. No, it was just maybe a lack of liquidity on October 10, but everything still in play, and I hope you watched the video after listing. Of course, I made a post at 28 and at 43 I made a video about Donald Trump token and post the zones. So you remember the zone. So it's 16, 11, 13, 20. It's the first zone of interest. Here we got a rejection of that zone, and here was a support zone on the daily time frame in April, right? After 100%, guys, all the time. Here, withdraw initial deposit, it's not a mistake. We reject, consolidated here long time period, crash, come back inside the accumulation zone and crash again. So I think the first trouble area for rejection can be again 725.97. If you believe, and if you're the fan of the Donald Trump and everything what he doing now in his career, you can buy this token. I don't want to touch anything would relate to the Donald Trump. No hate to Donald Trump. I just don't like this so speculative and manipulative token. Millennia story when almost 99% tokens inside their hands, it's kind of weird, right? But the Trump token and World Liberty Finance, I guess, maybe will be with some utility and perform again. And the target, personally for me, still in place. So from the low here, it can be at least 640%, maybe even touch the 43, like 800. I don't believe in new all-time high for Trump token, but it's possible. $100, it's what are people waiting for from this token. If we zoom out, take a look at a weekly time frame. If we ignore this week, we're not invalidate idea yet. Invalidation if we dump with the body candle close under $3.81. But anyway, these blocks now will be like rejection. So it's not a mistake if you want to buy now at 5.44, fix at $11. So it will be not a mistake. EMAs. Now the order will be open to test 20 EMA. So yes, it's a first rejection block. After that, a 50 EMA. So you can track it. Take profit, guys, on weekly, no data, daily. The road is open to test once again this block 9.725. Take profit now. It's 8.23. Exit line 9.28. So you can add alert. Just let's add alert. Take profit line. Buy line on a daily now is 4.16. For the amount value, it's 3.10. Let's close the FIB and double check the week of this dump. This is what I don't like. We didn't test not even a 23 low FIB. So I'll be not surprised if in February we will see something like this. So just be careful, guys. I hope not. Of course, I hope we will skyrocket to the moon because I wish to see all market pump. But just in case, for me, it's not a good story when we leave the huge week and not retest, I don't know, even 38. So a lot of tokens dump it to this area. Algo, for example, dump it to this area after the dump of October 10. So up to your own risk, guys. Global targets I showed you. I don't think so. The listing, it was just an exit pump. No, I think we'll come back and at least $30 we're gonna see, but I can be wrong. This is an accumulation zone on a daily, weekly. Also, this token and accumulation, all this input, it's accumulation. So yes, guys, I believe that Donald Trump, with the media, who control the media, control the world. With the Donald Trump power and how he can make a show around, I think all his tokens will perform. And also take a look, the 50% of the week of monthly time frame, it can be like $50. So 51 can be like a magnet. So yes, we can close the 50% of this weekend and go into the bear market, just in case. So this is not a time to out of Trump. So definitely, this is like accumulation. Direction, not in a crazy accumulation, but still on the middle line, not in a distribution. Got it. Dashboard, I highly recommend you use the dashboard indicator, just a brand new one I just recently added. So you can, in settings, adjust any time frame and track all in one place. Market mood, guys. This is a capitulation zone, so I highly recommend you after listing just use initiation accumulation pump model. Watch the first video about this stock, and you could know all of this zone of interest, because after listing, the venture funds, the market makers use absolutely the same pattern the last 3 years. And here, only in December 75, the token listed in January 75, and only almost after the year, we come back inside the capitulation zone on a weekly. So this is a way how you can track the zones where more than okay starts buying. And here, fun. It's really fun how before the story with Venezuela, 1, 2, 3 weeks in a row, somebody accumulated with the money. It's a money inflow from the big guys based on the money power indicator, this stock. Insiders, maybe, who knows? Definitely insiders. And take profit, I showed you a trade on the last indicator, guys. Also, buy was in October at 617. We pump it to 955. Now we also get a signal to buy on a weekly. Daily, here was signal to sell. Joule, take profit from sales, buy, recommendation close position, and somebody aggressively buying this token. But keep in mind, only one thing, what I don't like we didn't close the 50% of the week. Maybe in the next bear market, we're going to close it. Negative scenario, something like this one. Positive, just break the structure and go higher. Targets, I showed you. The potential target for end of this cycle for this token, I showed you. I don't think so. We're going to hit the $100 again. Not even again, we will hit this target. So my take is 35.50. If you'd like to trade with my custom said and add alerts like I did in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, Joe Matecom channel. See you next time, guys.